Kasenjuk jong ginongnya kali ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam, mentah kesengi kilala ban syong jingalang hanong po hakaba kilai kren sutu jumut bat ban pensyai halor ke jingja ke pelajar ke arpundre terik unai tung arja arpusah tengar na ke jing bat ke Seng HNYF yaki kali Kamai na Assam bat ke jing bamsya yaki ban lech syadauki bat sora. Ya kene ke jingalang lapan long ha ke lai po terik unai tung arja arpusah ha Green Hills Restaurant ha ke snong Lumberhing Riboy District bara kene ke jingalang lawan benesim mentah de ginoi lam jong palat khatwai teliki Seng jong ginongnya kali Kamai na ke jela Assam bat Meghalaya. Hadian ketiga jingalang na kaliang uba tiplang nongbet Presiden kehinyau Trap Tourist Taxi Association HTTA bat Robin Datta Presiden ke Greater Guwahati Tourist Taxi Association GGTTA habakran sekilat pathai kubor kila penpau baka jingalang ka long ban pensai syakipat ba nong lendongwan bakam dan setia kenu ke jing penmi hukum jong ke sarkar Meghalaya ban khang yaki kali Kamai na Assam ban rung sya ke jela Meghalaya hnrei kaditang ke jingle jong ki kattu katni ki riu sim kabu. Kawai pat kamat kabal kilai keren hakane ke jingalang mentah kesengi kadai halor ke jingbun jong ki kali Shimet ki bala pendon kambian kum ki kali Kamai bat haba keren halor ke ni kamat kinongnya kali jong ke jela Assam bat Meghalaya da kawai ke jingmut ki larai ban ya trei rengkat bat ban om ailat yakini ki kali Shimet ban pendon kambian yaki kali ban Kamai klam ke jingseu khajna naba ke khata ya ke Kamai kaji jong kinongnya kali haboro art li ki jela ki basiu bun ya ke khajna
ke jing sutu bakla jong ki nonglek nongwan ki bawan naga barjela tam-tam kiba na coba ke state jongi kan na kiwi-kiwi ru ke state kiba don gitu kucing yakang na kaliang jong kiseng balang ndai ketu baro bangi kamton jing dei em ha kaliang kajing bat kali te na kaliang jongi ru long ngi na pensai ru ba na kaliang jongi kum ka action ngimdon re kanu kajing yang persya ya kanu ka tourist taksi bawan ja kajela jongi baki her kaliang jongi bang syong mendaringin ya sim khia tang ha badai ba kani kaliang jong kini kali private di balabun palat di bawan Kamai seni jela jongi laki nombor plate le katu kalau long keniat kala kini ya piang ja jongi kinong Kamai kiba Kamai hok lagi terus taksi desa kawiru long ni na kaliang jong action long kibun kit kiseng bami syakmat kiba yakun na kaliang jong sarkar ngim pedek kita kasyong hakiki banyakran ba sarkar ni na kaliang jong ngi kwa ba ka Assam ba ngi ke Meghalaya indon hapadeng kajing yesuk ngimkwa kanu kajing kanat nar baro arlyang ki state kumbangi julong baro si kata ngin nyai be kunta ngidon kajing trelang na baro kini na Assam Meghalaya ikwa ba kan nyai ke maju yai katu ki banai kran sa sarkar ai kin yakran ba sarkar kin sutu ba sarkar ngi para driver rang ni ngin nyai be ke kam jungi banya Kamai kaji be banya bhaya met lang na baro arlyang state jungi ngila don kajing complain jungi last year ngila don complain ya katu la don ru na tim jungi kilaya operation jungi hapo tengar hi lihat na kaliang jong tim jungi kilaya banya kendang gitu kali privately moh to kapor te na kaliang jungi ru la da khlem kajing trelang na kaliang jungi para driver kabu jing ba identify na department ban kino kita ki private ki ba Kamai ni kino ki private ki bawan na kakam na yang nasam ta te ngiru na kaliang jongi ka action na bro arliang ka jela mentang ngila persang bangin nya tray rangkan ngin nya verify iwe pa iwe na padengi jongi ki driver ba kino ki kili private ki ba Kamai be an syakwati le ni sa Shillong ya katangi ru nga sa sim action halo kani kita ngi kum ki driver ngiyo Kamai kaji lengba jong jingwan bun ki tores oh ngin kwa ru ba na pedeng jongi ki bagi terus kindon haka safety ke banding kong ru bat kunju iki derbar jongi ru abaki le cha Assam ki wan Shillong ru kindon hak pedeng kajing sengai kalet kawan bat kunju iki passenger ro tangkatahi kawi ka message bang ikwa nang iru ba ikwa ya ka jingsuk shwa min sa Kamai wat hadian kata
we have decided and we want to make it clear to the people and the tourists visiting this state that there is no such any imposition by the government restricting vehicles coming from Assam or tourists coming from Assam. This has been created by some unwanted element, but it is not a government decision. So we have cleared ourselves, we have cleared all doubts, and because some elements are taking advantage of this thing, because they give some flare-up statements in their social media, which actually escalates the tension for our taxi operators as well as tourists. So we want to diffuse the tension, and that is why we have sat together and we have jointly decided to give an appeal to all tourists. They are free to visit. There is no such any government ban or any restriction by anybody. Okay, and other decisions are also there. We have sought some, because our taxi operators, we are facing some problems, competition from private vehicles operating on as taxis. So we have also taken a joint decision that will restrict the flying of illegal taxis, which are private vehicles. We will not take the law into our hands. Yes. We want to give a first appeal to all persons, these travel agents and all these things, booking agents. They are illegally operating private vehicles as on hire basis, and that is actually destroying our business also, because we are paying high rate of taxes, maximum taxation, and they are not paying taxes like us. So there's a discrimination, so they cannot fly. That is illegal. We are not talking about private vehicles. Private vehicles are free to come. Somebody is coming on weekend, they can visit Cherrapunji, any Dauki also. As family, they can come. But we are talking about those private vehicles illegally operating as taxis,
Yes.
that category. So it should be clear, because this may go as a thing, misinterpreted, Any private vehicle, somebody will see and they'll stop it. We are not talking about private vehicles. That
Yes.
private category of vehicles flying on higher basis.
So is there any action from the association from Assam?
Yeah. We'll detect those things, and because mostly our drivers are flying those private vehicles, we'll try to detect and we'll give the list to government. We'll not take the law into our hands. Will not take. And we appeal to our Meghalaya counterparts, so they'll not take the law, they'll give the list to the government and will pressurize the government to take action.
Yes.
Message is that people are free to come to Meghalaya, as well as we welcome tourists to come to Assam.
Yes.
So it should go like that, because tourism is booming up, it's a very thriving industry and we should preserve it at any cost. We don't want any element to destroy this good industry, tourism, which is giving employment to so many people, not only taxi operators, lot of employment, starting from hotel, restaurant, homestay, everywhere.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.